Do you wish your current car or truck had a nicer interior? Or are you shopping for a new vehicle and noticing that your favorite model doesn't offer leather in the trim package you want? With Katzkin from AutoNation, your dream interior can now come true on your new or existing vehicle. Simply pick your car, pick your colors, and AutoNation AutoGear can make it a reality. Katzkin interiors are crafted right here in the United States, using nothing but top quality materials. Experts test fit and finish on every piece. Since Katzkin also provides major OEMs with their interiors, you can rest assured that even your custom design will fit the car like it was originally built with it. With more than 3,000 interior designs and 120 different colors, you're bound to find an interior that you won't just like, you'll love. And a Katzkin interior is more affordable than you might imagine. Between commuting and weekend getaways, we spend a lot of time in our vehicles, so it makes sense to want a vehicle interior that fits your unique style, while at the same time providing only the highest quality fitment and durability. It doesn't matter if you own a Honda, Subaru, Toyota, Ford, Chevy, or pretty much anything else. Katzkin and AutoNation can upgrade your interior from average to awesome. To get a custom Katzkin leather interior on your new or current vehicle, visit your local AutoNation AutoGear store. For new car purchases, you can even roll a custom Katzkin interior into your auto loan, making it easy to say yes to an interior of your dreams. Call or visit your local AutoNation AutoGear dealer for more information. Get started at AutoNation.com today.